Oh, hello. How are you? We are just working on the car, you know. Gotta use... Oh, this isn't the right tool. Hang on. Okay, now we've got the right tool. No, it's still not the right tool. We're not actually working on the car right this second, as you obviously caught me not doing anything. We got some packages today. You want to open those real quick with me? Let's do that. Okay, so we're gonna go through and check to see what we got. Yes, I did pre-open them because, you know, the audio would have been horrible for you guys. So this one is our adapter. And basically, we're gonna try to get this done tonight because, or at least get it almost done. This adapter has to go into our adapter, and then the other adapter has to go here, and then we have your hose, which is not an adapter. We got the fitting, so we're gonna go through and try to get that done here in a little bit. And then our other package a box out of a bag. This box, I got some clips for our coffee stuff because my clips don't like my freezer. So I got some aluminum ones. Got that, we're gonna put that aside. So now at this point, I'm gonna go through and put the trifecta of adapters together and hopefully get everything done with the exception of cutting because it's already late and it's been a very long day, and because, you know, like I told you yesterday, I had my training this morning and it was early. I had to be up really early, and well, it's late and I'm not going to be cutting this because it's loud. So I'll probably be doing this weekend. So I'm going to get that started and I'll be right back. I'm not going to have you guys watch me struggle because I'm tired of having you guys watch me struggle, which I do a lot of recently because this has been very complicated. And because I am the R&D department of SSBC.Garage, you guys get to watch me struggle, but not this time. I put my foot down. So we're gonna get that done. We'll be right back. Okay, so I've got some of the stuff done. This is where I really need you guys to wish me luck because I'm trying to put the air compressor or the AC compressor back to where it should be. If there's any contact, hopefully it's like barely there because a little bit would be okay. I mean, it's not ideal, but because of the compressor basically being bolted up against it, the whole motor is going to be moving at the same time, so I don't think it would cause any problems. But if there is any rubbing, what I'll do is I'll just put some Tessa tape around the fitting itself. So wish me luck. I'm going to show you what it looks like right now before we even get into it. There's the fitting. Here's the plumbing. Obviously they're too long for what they are because I'm going to cut them down. There it is, right there. So, like I said, wish me luck. It barely fits. Welcome to my nightmare. As you can see, that is the brass fitting right here. When I put the compressor where it's supposed to go, I have to basically get enough to clear a little end wing nut there, almost. it's touching, but I also don't have the actual mounting plate put all the way down, just because I have to go through and put everything else in place where it should go. I have to basically put on the other bolts to finalize that portion. And then for the bracket here, this has 4 bolts, and I wanted to mock it up, so I gotta go through and put everything back together. At this point I do have to take the compressor back off to put the bolts for the adapter plate back on. But after that, then I can go through and prep the air box, which is this black piece right here. I gotta drill 2 holes in it to then go through and mount the filter adapter plate there to the side of it. And then I can measure the lines to then cut probably tomorrow. But then we're done. I just have to put the pulley back on to, well, basically I gotta put everything back together first. But then the last thing is to put the pulley back onto the power steering pump right there. And then I can finally put the belt back on and start the motor. It's about time. 6 months. Almost 6 months, I think. Either way, almost 6 months of having, well, I know it's been 6 months of having the car and the jack stands, but I don't know how long I've been working on the motor portion of it. I'm so excited. And tired. No, strike that. I'm exhausted. It has been a very long day. Like I said, this is going to be kind of a shorter video. What I do want to go through and do before I end this video, because I'm pretty much going to do that now because I have to go get this edited so you guys can see this tomorrow. And yes, today's Wednesday for anybody keeping track, and tomorrow is Thursday when you get to see this. And I have obviously not done any editing because I'm still recording this, and it is now time. It's time to get this done. So I'm going to show you the car, show you the status of the car, because like I said, well, actually, I don't know if I told you or not, but if I didn't, I'm going to tell you now. I did work off camera yesterday. See, that's how exhausted I am right now. I did work off camera after I told you specifically that I was not going to do anything else. So I'm going to grab a selfie stick. So this way you guys can have proper audio, since my hand keeps rubbing the microphone over here, so I apologize. I'm going to pause it, and then we're going to do a walk around. Okay, now that we're hands off of the phone, look at what I got put on. Look at what I cut. Look at what I bolted up. Look at that. Would you look at it? Would you just look at it? It's so pretty. I cut that off of a very long section. I think it was like, it was over 2 feet long. $30 for a piece of aluminum, by the way, guys, just so you're aware. And I only needed a partial piece of it, you know. I just needed a piece. So, $30 for the length that I got, which was the only one that I could find at Ace Hardware. That was in this 2-inch size. So, got that all fashioned up. You can see that. Obviously got the lines. The only thing I got to do still, obviously, is wiring. I did order some more stuff, you know, because we love Amazon around here. You might be wondering, why the heck does he have cardboard with holes in it? Well, if you look at the bolt pattern, here and here, they match. The reason that they match is because I ordered a tow hook that's going to mount to the frame over here and then stick through the front of the car over there, which you can't really, there we go, focus. Don't focus on my finger. It's trying to. Anyways, so that's gonna look pretty cool. And of course it's blue, not red like the traditional, because I didn't want red. I wanted blue. So that'll look cool. What else have I done? Obviously you can see the wire runs, the spaghetti. I did kind of clean it up a little bit, got it to where it's kind of gonna go, just to get it out of the way, because I am still working with this. And still have yet to have decided what the actual outcome is, whether we're gonna go through and do anything with the top or the engine cover or not. Still debating on that, because I was thinking about it. Having this appearance shroud over here, which is also a heat shield for everything that's going to be basically running near this, that's functional. The other portion is not. It looks kind of weird having that top hat up here. I don't know. That's just my thought. And you may also notice that the top shroud for this is missing. FYI, though, that is the wiper motor right there. It operates like a train. It basically goes in a circle and pulls this bar back and forth to then make the wipers go like this. So just in case anybody wanted to know, that's what it looks like. So there's that. I keep stepping on zip ties, sorry about that. It's sitting down over here on the ground. And you might ask, why did I do that? Well, I'll tell you. I have to drill 2 holes very nicely into a properly spaced amount here. And the reason that is to then go through and put in the nitrous purge valve, or not really valve, but the tubing for it to connect into here. So it's gonna come up and spray out of the car on both sides because it's a dual vent. And I obviously have not done anything on the inside of the car other than do a test fit for the nitrous bottle, which is still sitting there obviously. Yes, that is taking up that whole center section. It is monstrous. But it's gonna be lots of fun. I did get the painting done last night. Everything is painted. It looks good. It is clear coated. I did obviously the crash bar, and I also got the side skirts done. The next thing I have to go through, and which is hiding behind the box, you can kind of see it tucking out the top there. Those are the actual side skirts that go mounted on the bottom of the car over here. I have to go through and clean, prep, all that jazz, so then I can go through and attach those to them. Look at those. Don't they look so... Oh, look at that. Would you look at it? Look at that color. Wow. It's going to look so much better out in the sunlight. In person is so much better because, again, it's the metallic flake. And it's kind of hard to pick up on camera. I am recording at a high rate, but unfortunately, because I'm using a free editing software, it makes me reduce the quality down to 720 to upload to YouTube. So, tons of fun there. Obviously, you see the nitrous kit. That's good. That's good. It's all plumbed up. The only thing I may have to do... Nope, I take it back. I've already gotten that done. You've obviously got the catch can. You guys have seen that. Still working on the fuse box. I still have to go through and swap out the actual switches. I did show you guys the switches just in case you didn't see the last video and you wanted to be caught up. Here's the switches that are going to go in the center console. Those flip covers, and then if I remember correctly, these light up at the very tip of the... Oh, come on, focus. There we go. It lights up right there with a blue LED. Because you know everything is on this car is blue when it's not color shifting. Because that's the colors, guys. That's the colors. So, look at my mess over here. This is ridiculous. I need a workbench. Plans for the garage. And you're probably wondering, why is this water here? Well, it's not for me drinking. It's for Sylvia to drink. I filled the radiator with water almost all the way. The reason I say all the way is because the next thing that we do once we get the engine completely filled is we're going to go through and run some flush through it. Basically to clean up the inside of it. Because, you know, I'm not able to fix that myself. So, once we get that filled or all done here, I can run the motor to cycle all of that stuff through, and then I gotta drain this again, put fresh water in it all by itself just to get all that nasty crap out of that, run that again, drain that again, and then I can finally put in the proper coolant that's just also over here. I have everything ready to go. It's very hard to do this by myself, so just very time consuming, so you guys get to come along for the ride. I do have the wire connectors for me to go through and do that. Pretty much I have everything. I have everything I need. I just got to go through and do it. So we are going to pause here and we'll be right back. Well, I changed my mind. I was going to go through and get some more stuff done on the car, but then I looked at the watch again and realized what time it is. And I'm still tired, as usual. I swear, all my videos that you guys see, I'm tired. I'm exhausted. I'm just waking up or about to go to bed. The only time that you guys get to catch me at my best is in the life video section. You like that little plug there? Check that out. We've got the Orlando playlist at this point because that's pretty much all the videos that are in there. We just got back from Universal Studios a couple weeks ago. And like I said, we may have some other stuff coming up. Not telling you what it is, but you're going to have to make sure that you're subscribed to this channel to get those notifications to check those trips out with me. And this next one, it's going to be a lot of fun, and we are doing a little bit of a collaboration. And it's not going to be in this state. I will tell you that. That's a secret there for you. There's a good hint too. Because you know, that's how tired I am. I just confused both of them. Secret, hint, I meant hint. I said secret. There you go. Welcome to my world. I'm all over the place when I'm tired. This is why I drink a lot of coffee, because in this way, I'm not like this all the time. Fun fact. So, anyways, I'm gonna end the video here. If you're joining for the first time, thank you. Also, if you're joining for the first time, going to be doing a giveaway on this channel. How do you qualify for this giveaway? Well, once we get to at least 1,000 subscribers with 4,000 hours of watch time, that will get the channel to where we can actually get a paycheck, and then the paycheck is going to go to one of you guys. We're going to give the entire paycheck, no matter how much it is. It can be very small, it can be very big. Who knows? We'll see. But that is going to go to one of you guys for sure. Doesn't matter if you're new, doesn't matter if you're existing at that point, obviously, but share the channel, let everybody know. If you like this content, make sure you hit the like button so this way YouTube tells everybody about it too. Our likes have been a little low, guys. I know. You guys like watching the videos. I always get text messages the next day, calls the next day. Love the video. Let's bump it up. Tell everybody. Actually tell people. Share it out. Because you, or the person you share it to, could very well be getting that paycheck. Anyways, my rant is over. Thank you for joining me in SSBC.Garage. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to email me. My email is in the description. My email is going to be down here at the bottom right here. My email is also on the home page. So if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. It comes directly to my phone. And also, if you guys want to drop a comment, hit the like button, subscribe. I would appreciate it. You guys have a wonderful day, and we will talk later.